Have you ever dreamed of exploring multiple islands in one trip? Welcome to the intriguing world of island hopping. Picture this: waking up to the sound of waves in the Maldives, lunching amidst the vibrant culture of Bali, and toasting to the sunset in the Greek Isles, all in a single journey. Island hopping allows you to experience a myriad of cultures, landscapes, and adventures, all while satisfying your wanderlust in the most extraordinary way. Imagine the thrill of setting foot on a new island each day, unraveling its mysteries, and immersing yourself in its unique charm. From the Caribbean archipelago to the exotic islands of Southeast Asia and the enchanting Mediterranean Isles, the world is brimming with fascinating routes for island hopping. So fasten your adventure belts and prepare to dive into a world of pristine beaches, azure waters, lush greenery, and awe-inspiring sunsets. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of island hopping? Choosing the right islands is the first step to making your island hopping dream come true. Now, let's talk about the factors you need to consider when selecting your destinations. Accessibility, climate, and local attractions are key. You wouldn't want to visit an island during its monsoon season, would you? And of course, you'd want to choose islands that offer activities you enjoy, whether that's lounging on sandy beaches, exploring underwater reefs, or hiking up lush mountains. But here's a secret: the magic often lies in the journey, not the destination. That's why picking a popular island hopping route can enhance your experience. For instance, the Greek islands in the Aegean Sea are a classic choice, with their iconic white and blue architecture, fantastic cuisine, and rich history. Or perhaps you'd prefer the exotic charm of the Caribbean islands, with their vibrant cultures and stunning natural beauty. Now that we've selected our islands, it's time to start packing. Preparing for an exhilarating island hopping journey might seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got some useful packing tips for you. To kickstart, the essentials: sunscreen, insect repellent, and a reusable water bottle. It's essential not to overlook a quality camera either, because believe me, you'll want to immortalize these experiences. For your wardrobe, keep it light and sensible. Breathable fabrics are your ultimate ally in a tropical climate. Consider linen shirts, cotton dresses, and remember to pack your swimwear. A light rain jacket can also be a wise addition, considering the unpredictability of tropical rainfalls. Footwear ought to be comfy, ideally something you can swiftly slip on and off when visiting those sandy beaches. A hat and sunglasses are also compulsory items to shield yourself from the sun. And definitely include a robust bag for your day excursions. Keep in mind, the principle is to pack light. You'll be on the move constantly, so minimalism really does pay off. With our luggage all set, let's delve deep into what each island has in store. Each island is a treasure trove of unique experiences and flavors. Imagine setting foot on the sands of a new island, taking in the fresh, salty air. Every island is a gem, with its own unique charm and allure. First, let's embark on a journey to the serene island of Bali. We'll traverse through the lush rice terraces of Ubud and be left awestruck by the Uluwatu temple soaring high on a cliff. Bali's beauty is as varied as it is captivating. Our next stop takes us to the pulsating island of Jamaica. Here we'll be lured by the hypnotic reggae beats and the adrenaline rush of scaling the Duns River Falls. This island resonates to its own beat, both literally and figuratively. And who could ignore the magical islands of Greece? Santorini, with its breathtaking sunsets and iconic blue-domed churches, is bound to steal our hearts. In close proximity, Mykonos will dazzle us with its windmills and whitewashed houses, overflowing with allure. As we bounce from one island to another, we're not just exploring landscapes, but plunging into an ocean of flavors. Every island offers a culinary journey that's as thrilling as its adventures. In Bali, we'll relish nasi goreng, delightful fried rice dish loaded with local spices and served with a warm smile. In Jamaica, we'll bite into the spicy chicken, a perfect fusion of spice and smoky flavors, guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. And in Greece, the Greek salad and moussaka will transport us on a gastronomic trek that we'll remember forever. And these are just a few samples. Every island has its own culinary masterpiece, waiting to be unveiled, tasted, and cherished. From roadside stalls to high-end restaurants, every meal becomes a fragment of the journey, a part of the experience. Remember, these islands are not just about experiences and food, They're about the people and culture too, but we'll delve into that in the next scene. For now, with our bags packed, let's dive into the adventure and savor the enticing flavors of these island highlights. Island hopping is also about immersing yourself in diverse cultures and engaging in thrilling outdoor adventures. Each island, like a gem in the vast ocean, holds a unique cultural heritage that tells the story of its people, their traditions, and customs. Let's dive into this colorful cultural tapestry. In the Greek islands, you'll be greeted with the warm hospitality of the locals, who are always ready to share a tale or two about their ancient gods and goddesses. Their vibrant festivals and traditional music will make you feel like you've stepped into a living, breathing postcard from the past. Heading over to the Caribbean, you're welcomed by the rhythm of reggae and the aroma of jerk chicken. The islands are a melting pot of African, Amerindian, European, East Indian, Arab, and Chinese influences, creating a rich cultural mosaic that's reflected in everything from their music to their cuisine. In the islands of Southeast Asia, you'll discover a fascinating blend of cultures, where centuries-old temples coexist with modern skyscrapers. Here, the people's way of life is deeply rooted in Buddhist and Hindu traditions, offering a serene contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. But island hopping isn't just about cultural exploration. It's also an open invitation to a world of outdoor adventures. Snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, you'll find yourself in a mesmerizing underwater world teeming with vibrant coral reefs and exotic marine life. In the islands of Hawaii, you can hike through lush rainforests to discover hidden waterfalls, or take a daring leap of faith while cliff jumping into the turquoise waters below. And for the ultimate thrill, there's nothing quite like exploring the volcanic landscapes of Iceland on a snowmobile. Each island presents a new adventure, a new story, and a new opportunity to connect with nature in its most pristine form. After all these adventures, it's time for some relaxation and leisure. No island hopping trip is complete without spending some time just taking it all in. As we journey from one island to another, we discover an array of opportunities for relaxation and leisure. Each island presents its own unique charm. Pristine beaches where the turquoise sea meets the golden horizon, tranquil spas nestled amidst lush tropical foliage, and scenic viewpoints that offer breathtaking panoramas of the islands and the vast ocean beyond. And then there are the moments of downtime, when we simply sit back and soak up the island vibes. These are the times when we, perhaps with a tropical cocktail in hand, reflect on the extraordinary journey we've embarked on. We recall the thrill of new discoveries, the joy of making new friends, the exhilaration of outdoor adventures, and the delight of tasting exotic cuisines. These are the moments we cherish, the memories we carry with us long after our island hopping trip is over. As we wind down, let's reflect on our island hopping journey. Island hopping is more than a vacation. It's an adventure of a lifetime. From the moment we embarked on our journey, we encountered experiences that were both unique and awe-inspiring. Each island, with its vibrant culture, diverse flora and fauna, and breathtaking landscapes, offered a new world waiting to be explored. We've tasted the delightful flavors of local cuisines, immersed ourselves in the rich heritage of each island, and taken part in thrilling outdoor adventures. We've also found serenity in the tranquil beaches, the soothing spas, and the picturesque viewpoints. Island hopping is not just about visiting different places. It's about the stories we collect, the connections we make, and the memories we create. It's an opportunity to broaden our horizons and experience life from different perspectives. So, if you're seeking a travel experience that's beyond the ordinary, consider island hopping for your next adventure. Thank you for joining us on this island hopping journey.